Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share one of my most favorite amazing hacks for Google Slides. So Google Slides is probably the most flexible tool in the Google suite of tools, mainly because you can add any type of media to it. Audio, video, pictures, text, word art, graphs, charts, whatever you want to add, you can add it to slides and it's easy to manipulate. So sometimes you might be working in a Google Doc, but say you want to add multimedia or you want to add something, but the size limitations on the doc are something that are getting in your way or you're not able to add the media you want, and you know that you can add media in Google Slides. Well, the nice benefit of Google Slides is that you can change the size of a slide on Google Slides so it looks more like a Google Doc. So it's more printer friendly, has more of that 8.5 by 11 feel without having to compromise your formatting and your limitations on the type of media you can add like you have in Google Docs. So right here's an example. And this is just really helpful if you want to give yourself a little bit more space as well as your students. So I have my slide open. I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and I'm going to toggle this to Custom, and then I'm going to change it. So standard pieces of paper are 8.5 by 11 inches. Apply. All right. So if I already had a theme, I will warn you that it distorts it. So I usually don't add a theme until after I've done this change. But in this example, I wanted to give you something a little bit prettier to look at. But that is how you can adjust this. So this is a really awesome option if maybe you're wanting to have your students do projects where they're adding lots of media to it, like maybe they're building digital ebooks and you want it to have more of that book look and shape and feel, but Google Docs are a little too challenging to add audio and video to. This opens up that door and your students can easily go through, add the media they want, and do this at really low cost because Google Slides are free. So this is a really awesome hack. I love to use this for making printables and guides for my teachers as well in printable one-pagers because I can add my video tutorials there. I can add links and different pieces and lots of pictures and screenshots on how to do something without it being multiple pages because of some different overlay issues that come up in Google Docs. So hopefully this has been a helpful tip and you'll probably be using this feature a lot more often now that you know about it.